Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can reply comment with video on Instagram. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Instagram application and then I'm going to add comment to my Instagram post on my another Instagram account. For example, I'm going to add comment to my post on my second Instagram account. So I'm going to open up my second Instagram account, this one, and I'm going to leave comment right here. Wait, I'm going to open up one of the posts and I'm going to go to the comment section and then I'm going to leave a comment. Okay, like this guys. Okay, and then I'm going to reply this comment with video. So I'm going to switch to my second Instagram account. I'm going to open up my profile and I'm going to open this post, then go to the comment section and then I'm going to reply this comment with video. So we can click on reply right here, and if we want to reply it with video we can click on this camera icon like this guys, and the comment will be added to our video, and here you will be able to record your video by clicking on this button, or you can also upload video from your gallery. And for example, I'm going to upload video from my gallery, so I'm going to click on this gallery menu and then I'm going to choose video from my gallery. Wait guys, for example, I'm going to choose this video. Okay, and before we upload the video, we can edit the video. Just go to the edit video menu, and here you will be able to add audio and then add text, sticker, caption, voiceover, or folder, and it's up to you. You can edit the video according to your needs, and then once you're ready to post your video with this comment, you can click on this icon. Okay, and here you can write a caption and hashtags. You will be able to tag people as well, add location, and then customize the audience. And then if you want to post it to your Instagram, you just need to click on share, and then the video will be shared to your Instagram as Instagram reel. Okay, wait guys, now the video is being uploaded. Just wait for a moment until the uploading process complete. Okay guys, and that's all the way to reply comment with a video on Instagram. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.